Welcome to this tutorial. So the basic of this tutorial is to show how to access and how to use the admin panel and all sort of activities you can do on your back end, like to upgrade your website, to add content to your website, to grant any other person an admin access. So that's basically what I'll be covering in this tutorial. So first, what you need to do is to go to um, your website link / PC tutorial. Let's assume your website is mrabc.com. So you go to mrabc.com / PC tutorials, like it is written here. You put it as PC tutorials. Immediately you do that, you must land on a page like this. We have this tutorial built in on every of our websites so as to like give um, our clients access to tutorials anytime and every time. So there are categories of what you can do on the back channel, which is first is based on the admin access, how to grant anybody that you want to be helping you in managing your website, how to grant them an admin access. You can do it from here. How to add content, how to check and create a corporate email, and how to check responses to your forms. So basically all this you can do it via your admin panel, and here you have the tutorial step-by-step guideline on how to go about it. So first is admin access. Here you can grant anybody an admin access, like I said. So the only thing the person needs to do is to first find a way to request for an admin access. So how the person will request for an admin access is to go to the control panel to create a login account. So the person will have to create an account for him or herself. Then after creating the account, a current admin can now log into the back panel also, then grant the person an admin access. I'll show you how to go about it one after the other. So the first thing for the person to do is to request an admin access. So how to request an admin access is to create an account. So when you click on this request an admin access, it takes you to another page where you are supposed to like create an account. So here it asks you to add an email address. So I'll take one. So also you fill in a username. So I will say 13001. So you pick a password, pick another password, you write it again, then you create an account. Oops. Okay. I guess I already created an account with this. Make sure the email you are using is correct, because in case you forget your password, you'll have to like reset your password via the email. Okay, so account confirmation. It says new user account has already been created. An email has been sent to the email address containing how to activate the account. So this is basically me creating an account. So I've successfully been able to create an account. So now the next thing for an existing admin to do is to like grant the account an admin access. So if the person does not have an admin access, the person will be unable to access the back panel, because you have to like have the owner priority before you can access the admin panel. This is in such a way that just anybody cannot access your backend. It is just only the set of people you grant access that will be able to go. So now, all current admin will now be notified of your request, and they will grant you access easily with a few clicks. So the first thing the person needs to do is to go to the control panel. See under this granting an admin access. So now any admin can grant admin access to other registered users of the website. Follow the instruction. As the person to create an account, go to users under the control panel, and locate the email address the person used to register. Then you click on option. Then under the option, you click on update account. On the pop-up, set the access level to owner and save the settings. So now, what I'm doing now is to go to users. I want to grant the account I just created. I want to grant the account and admin access. So I'll go to users. Then this is the account, gmail.com. So I click on option. So I click on update account. Then under this access level, I change it to owner. So I click on save. With this, I've been able to like grant the person an admin access. The person can now log in with the email I just created. So the person can log in to the back panel, do any activity admins can do. So that's basically how to grant anybody an admin access to the website. So once you have been able to do this successfully, then the person can easily log into the website and do everything an admin can do. So in the next tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the corporate emails, how to access it, how to create a corporate email for anybody. So see you in the next tutorial.